Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel, and today I will tell you about online courses, free online courses offered Harvard University. So click on the first link. When you type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can see cscguideofficial.com. All the scholarship information you can see here, and click on other countries scholarship. When you click on other countries scholarship, you can see and click on the first link, free online courses 2020, just online apply. And this is the Harvard University offered program, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. All international students can apply, no registration, no age restrictions, and no IELTS required. Okay, the program which they offered is our first link: art and design, business, computer science, data science, education and teaching, health and medicine, humanities, mathematics, programming, and sciences and social sciences. So first we go to the official advertisement. We can see the programs, and you can see that you select your area in which you have, and you want to select if you like, if you want to select computer science, you click on computer science, and after clicking on computer science, and price is free, click on free. Okay, price is free. Okay, now you can select date according to your situation. Okay, now we select free courses on anyone. So I want to select this one, and when you select this course, everyone which you want, and you can select take courses. When you click on take course, you can see the enroll option, and I would like to receive email from Harvard. If you want to check, otherwise leave it and click on enroll. Starts March 30th. So from 30th March it will be started. So you can see the log of sign up form here. If sign up, give you your email, phone number, public username, password, and country name, and select sport. When you click on sports, you can, it's optional. It's optional if you want to do, otherwise leave it blank, don't worry. Okay, and create account. When you can create an account, you receive email from Harvard University, and they will inform you by email, through email, and don't worry about this. If you want to log in through Facebook or Google or Microsoft, you can do this. So hope so. This is a little bit information about these courses. If you like this, then subscribe our YouTube channel, and good luck and take care. If you stay connected with us, and we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.